Today we are talking about Abacus AI Deep Agent and how it helps you to build tutoring platforms without coding. Many people want to create online learning systems, but they think it needs programming skills, a big team, and a lot of time. But now, tools like DeepAgent are making this process much easier. In this video, I will explain what this tool does, how it works, and if it is really using for beginners. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to discover powerful tools that save time and effort. If you are planning to build something like an online course platform or tutoring system, I have shared a helpful link in the description where you can explore this tool easily. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description. So any special access or benefits that can get applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. So first, what is Abacus AI Deep Agent? In simple words, it is an AI-powered platform that allows you to create smart applications without writing code. It uses advanced AI models to build the system that can understand questions, give answers, and even act like a real tutor. This is very helpful if you want to create an online learning platform for students or training programs. One of the most powerful features of this tool is its ability to create AI tutor. You can upload your own content like PDF, documents, or notes, and the AI will learn from the content. Then it can answer the questions based on your materials. Now, this means you can create your own teaching system without hiring teachers or building complex software. Another great thing is no code interface. Everything is designed in a very simple way. You don't need any technical knowledge. You can just select option, you can upload the content, and the system will do the rest. This is perfect for beginners or small business owners who want to launch something quickly. It also supports automation. For example, when a student asks a question, the AI can respond instantly. You can also set up the workflows where your users sign up, access lessons, and interact with the AI tutor automatically. This saves a lot of time and makes your platform feel professional. Now let's talk about the customization. With this tool, you can adjust your AI behave. You can control the tone, you can control the response style, and even how detailed the answer should be. So if you want a simple explanation for beginners or detailed answer for the advanced user, you can easily manage that. Another useful feature is the integration. You can connect this tool with website or apps. This means you can embed your AI tutor into your own platform or business website. So instead of sending users somewhere else, now let's talk about the pricing and value. Tools like this are not always very cheap, especially because they use advanced AI models. But if you compare the cost with hiring developers or building a system from scratch, it can actually save you a lot of money and time. So for many users, it becomes a smart investment. Of course, there are some limitations too. Since it is AI based, sometimes responses may not be perfect. You still need to test and improve your content. Also, if you want very advanced customization, you might feel some limitation compared to full coding solution. But overall, Abacus AI Deep Agent is a powerful option if you want to build a tutoring platform quickly without coding. It is simple, it is fast, and it is very useful for beginners. That's it basically for today's video. I hope you understand better than before. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe Easy Access Tech for more simple and useful tech guides. Don't forget to check the link from description so any special benefit get applied automatically. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.